So I'm here in downtown Anchorage, Alaska, and you're gonna love this story. A local chef has two restaurant concepts. He's got a sports bar, and he's got a high-end restaurant. Well, then the pandemic hits, and what's he do? He pivots. He brings the two restaurants together and kind of makes like a greatest hits album of all the menu items, because this dude's a rock star. This is Haute Quarter Grill.
Our single jambalaya.
Alex is a super creative cook.
Alaskan oysters, pickup.
It was a little deceiving coming in. You always assume it's going to be very Alaskan and rustic, but then it's a little fancier.
Which comes from a deep culinary arsenal that allowed owner Alex Perez to merge his casual and fine dining concepts into one spot.
We kind of went with Haute Quarter 2.0. Made the food a little bit easier, a little more approachable.
In the super kitchen, this kitchen can produce just about anything under the sun.
Spicy chicken gnocchi.
The spicy chicken with the gnocchi is excellent.
Italian dumplings, gorgonzola cream sauce, and then blackened chicken.
And then you always have leftover sauce that you can dip your bread in.
All right, so what are we gonna make?
Homemade gnocchi.
Roasted russets, nicely riced.
Salt and pepper. Eggs, Parmesan.
You can see how much Parmesan cheese just went in, so I already know that he's the gangster.
And then we start kneading it.
It's just gonna be enough flour to bind this, and that's it.
Because you don't want to overwork the dough.
Roll this out. Look at how tender this is. You touch it too hard, it's gonna flatten. Straight up pillows. Gorgeous. I mean, that's just...
Drop our gnocchi.
Into the salted water, blanch them off so they'll tighten up. What's next?
Blackening spice. Cayenne.
Wait. This blackening spice, not kill them spice.
Paprika.
Jeez!
Sorry, paprika.
Good, okay.
All right, oregano, salt.
You're an iodinized salt guy?
It's gonna caramelize better.
I'm not arguing with you.
I use kosher with everything else. White pepper, granulated garlic, thyme,
Now we can put the cayenne. That's still heavy-handed.
coarse black pepper,
Of course.
granulated onion,
Nobody? Is this thing on?
sugar,
Are we going chicken breast or chicken thigh?
chicken breast.
Have you ever heard of chicken mamu?
We make chicken mamu.
Get out!
We have made it. We used to do Fat Tuesday specials.
I think we might be related. Step Brothers, the Alaskan edition.
Gonna take our chicken breast, blackened seasoning, trying to get a little bit of a crust on it. Take our clarified butter.
A little seasoning on top of that. Controlled burning of the spices. 30 seconds to a minute on both sides. Then finish it in the oven.
We're gonna make the Gremolata, Italian parsley, sun-dried tomato, garlic, fresh lemon zest.
Okay, final step.
Start the sauce with butter in the pan, fresh garlic,
Heavy cream, a little salt and pepper.
into our saute pan, gorgonzola. A little salt and pepper for flavor.
This is not going to be lacking in flavor.
Add the gnocchi,
Let them finish in the sauce. Just builds flavor.
blackened chicken, green onion wisp just to cut through the fat, Gremolata, a little Parmesan Reggiano.
That's Nona's gnocchi. It's outstanding, like savory marshmallows. Gorgonzola is very polarizing. It can be the bull in the china shop, and it's judiciously handled here. I don't even know how to spell judiciously. You know how I spell it?
No.
Go ahead, Matt.
Wrong every time.
Thank you very much, Matt. That's how I spell it. The blackening on the chicken is exactly what blackening's supposed to be. And the chicken is so tender and so moist on the inside. The Gremolata is the little kiss at the end, and that's why I keep dabbing to the top. That is so perfectly executed. Dynamite dish.
Dropping gnocchi and the spicy chicken gnocchi.
Pillowy goodness.
It's my favorite dish. Every time I come here, I can't help but get it.
The chicken is perfect.
The spiciness of the blackening goes great with the gorgonzola cream sauce.